guys, welcome to my vlog. Today we will be doing an unboxing video. This is a parcel that I've ordered from Amazon and I wanted to show it to you. So let's go.
How hard you try can knock us down. Got eyes on the prize. Keep taking shots. It'll lead to your demise. We're the monsters under your bed, breathing straight down your neck.
Plastic inside another bag, a white bag. Ooh. Seems something really interesting. I think I know what it is. I think it's a magic box that you use to take pictures of products. Look, you can see so many colors. We have blue, green, red, black, yellow and white. And this is the box. You have to read the instructions. These are the user's instructions, and it says that there's the main box, there's the black background and the white background. These are the instructions. Then you have also have built the main studio box slide. We have to insert the USB cord, so we will put it right here, okay, and then we plug it in here and then here, and then we switch the lights on and see if it turns on. Hey! Kath from Look how clean is the shot. It's very nice. It's really detailed. Wow, ganda naman.